Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone automatically switching to 2G network. Many iPhone users face this issue. Their internet is slow because the phone switches to 2G by itself. Don't worry, this problem is very easy to fix. First, open the settings on your phone. Now swipe down and tap on cellular or mobile data service. Now swipe down and select your primary SIM. On the next page, tap on Voice and Data. Choose 4G LTE or 5G Auto and make sure 2G is not selected. This will stop your iPhone from switching to 2G automatically. After doing this, your iPhone will stay on 4G or 5G and your internet speed will improve. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.